Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfiles design team layout. I've got this awesome layout, or cut file, this awesome cut file called Inner Wave 2. There's another one in the shop, also just as awesome, but this one was released this month and I really thought I would like to play with it. I've got two photos of the first time my son was ever like in a little pool. This is 2014 in June. And he's making splashing. So I'm gonna already decide my title's gonna be Making Waves, but we're gonna back this cut file traditionally with paper, but I'm gonna do something fun. I'm gonna back the sky in vellum and the waves in different colors. I'm mostly using what I have left over of Coco Vanilla Studio Sunkiss collection. I just have some scrap pieces left over. You can see here I've got like blue. This is gonna be my sun. This is gonna be the sand. These two are gonna be the waves. I grabbed this jelly bean soup for my leaves. These are some coconuts. I've got yellow. Oh yeah, I was gonna do a yellow floral as the trunk of my. Oh wait, maybe I can just do this zigzag yellow as the trunk of my pine or the tree. Yeah, fun stuff. And then we'll do some mixed media around the back as well. Maybe some stenciling, stamping. I haven't decided what yet, but I just want to get this cut file backed. So we're going to do that, and then we'll trim down our photos and figure out what we're going to use for our title. But that is the plan. So let me get this backed for you. I'm not going to do that on the camera, but I'm going to get it backed, and I will be back. If I could get my words right, I will be back with you to then finish assembling the page. So stay tuned. Be right back. All right, you guys, here it is all backed with those papers and the vellum. And as I was doing that, so I left a gap here for the photos, but I realized my photos are facing to the right. So I'm going to want to stick my photos over on this side. So I'll just put an embellishment or something over there. But when I was backing this with vellum, I was like, how fun would that be to actually make this part a shaker pocket? So we're going to do that. But first, what we'll do is we'll just do some ink blending around the circle, just to have something coming out. I think I'm going to do some Prize Ribbon and Mermaid Lagoon. So I just need a very light pencil line so we know where that starts. So I don't necessarily have color that goes underneath where the vellum is, because I don't need to do all the ink blending if I don't need it. And then this will help also with doing the sequins, which I'm also going to draw a circle here, and I'm going to draw a spot there. Yep, because I don't need to put sequins in those areas when I lay it down. So I backed this whole thing with foam. And we'll glue that down. I'm not quite sure what sequin mix I want to use yet, but I think we'll start with Prize Ribbon. And we're just going to do a light brushing around. I love that. Move it over a little bit. Yeah, not really centered. You can tell that now that I've done some blending. On an edge here, apparently. Okay. And then I think we will do a little splatters. And lift. And lift. Oh, I love that. Okay, I love the way it looks. So now we need some sequins. So let's see what I got for Spiegel Mom. We've got that blue and this Jewel of the Nile. Ooh, let's add this one and that one. Maybe some of the True Blue. Do I have... Let's get some of the gold in there. What else? All right, for sure this one. Oh yeah, I didn't mark where the top of the... So this was a little exclusive for Creative Cuts Club. So I'm going to use all that one. I didn't mark where the top of the waves were. So what I could do... Because we want a decent amount in there. And then we'll do the rest of these Jewel of the Nile, and that should be plenty. All right, let's see if we can get those down and shake them a little bit to get these parts down. So there, and then what's nice is some of the sequins have kind of a place to stay, because those ones will always stay over there. Oh, I love it! Okay. Cool. That worked out really good. And I really like this background and how it's looking. All right, so I'm gonna put my two photos right here. And then, all right, let me get all the ephemera and things out, and we'll get working on the title and that stuff. So be right back. All right, I started going through all the ephemera, kind of layering some things up, and I realized I have a lot of the pre-made titles that are in the glittery gold, so I think I'm just going to use one of those. So I've got So Chill down. I've got this Holiday Vibes. I've got an ice cream cone, a yellow flower, this little starfish button. We've got a couple flowers, this rainbow on top of this yellow label, and that'll be good. I can write a little bit about when this was. Yeah. And get that figured out. What else? What else? Oh yeah, and I tucked a little flower, a glittery heart, just to bring the glittery gold a few other places. Gonna pop this up. So it doesn't sag so much. Ooh. Glue down some things. We'll do that. Okay, that's good. We're gonna glue. Oh yeah, we gotta glue a lot of things down. So I'm gonna glue some things down, and I actually might even tuck some of these clear stickers in places in some of my clusters. So I will do that. And then put some of these Sparkly Ever Essence down. So I'm gonna do that, glue everything down, and you guys will see some amazing, or hopefully amazing, close-ups at the end. But other than that, I think for process-wise, this is all we got left. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you will check out this new cut file in the shop. Make sure you go grab it. Make sure you are playing along with the challenge this month, the mood board. There we go. And yeah, I enjoy creating here with you guys. So check out the things. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.